Alright, man, I want to welcome y'all back, man, to FP Boxing, man. It's just a quick update. ARTUR BETERBIEV versus German fighter by the name of ENRICO KOELLING. Is actually fighting for the IBF Eliminator, man, at 175, which is the champion in the division, is Andre SOG Ward. So this is going to be the mandatory, the winner out of this fight, which I think they had it set. They really don't have an exact date, but it's supposed to be sometimes, I believe, in July in Quebec. So they actually don't really have a date or really a venue for the fight. The hold up is that they actually working with some of the U.S. networks because they trying to get it televised in the U.S. by it being overseas. So, you know, they trying to get BETERBIEV name up a little bit more out here in the U.S. So he's actually going through some legal issues as well, trying to get out of his old promotional deal with Uri Michaels of GWM Promotions. And this same guy is promoting 3 other guys in the same division with ARTUR BETERBIEV and his Donnie Stevenson and the undefeated L